Hey everyone, welcome here. You're watching Agricos Talk. So many of you requested me on Instagram to explain most important and at the same time most confusing topics. So today I'm up with this topic named cropping systems and patterns. First, let's discuss about crop rotation. If you grow the same crop every year in a given land, soil productivity decreases, which results in less yields. So, farmers usually keep changing the crop every year. This rotation of crop every year is called as crop rotation. There are some famous combinations for crop rotation. For example, rice, mustard and chili. So this is clear. What about changing the land instead of crop? In northeastern states of India, farmers grow the same crop every year, but they keep rotating, that is, they keep changing the land. This is called as land rotation, also called as shifting cultivation because crop is shifted to another land. Most importantly called as zooming cultivation or slash and burn cultivation. So, conclusion is crop rotation is about reverse of land rotation, where crop rotation increases soil fertility and land rotation causes soil erosion. Sustainable agriculture or eco-farming. This comes with an objective of ecological balance. It is a system of cultivation with use of manures, organic matter, crop rotation and minimal tillage. It promotes sustainable use of ecosystems, that is, making use of ecosystems without impairing its capacity for renewal or regeneration. Because ecological balance is maintained, it is called as ecological farming or eco-farming, also called as natural farming, and most importantly called as permaculture. It is called as organic farming because organic matter is used in the process of cultivation. There is a similar kind of term but not similar, that is subsistence agriculture. If a farmer cultivates a crop in order to meet the needs of his family, then it is called as subsistence agriculture. And commercial agriculture, it is nothing but cultivation of crops in large scales for high profits. Usually, raising crops and selling them in the markets is all nothing but commercial farming or commercial agriculture. Now let's move on to the concept of farming systems. Don't confuse with the terms farming systems and cropping systems. There is a difference between them, just like the difference between cropping and farming. Farming systems represent an appropriate combination of cropping system plus livestock plus poultry plus fisheries plus forestry, etc. to increase the profitability of farmer. Let me give you an example of farming system. Mixed crop livestock farming system. Cereal plus forage and dairy is the example. Conclusion is cropping system is one of the components of farming system. Sometimes the terms farming system and mixed farming are interchangeably used, but there is a subtle difference. Farming systems can be anything from the combination of just cropping and livestock to combination of all cropping, livestock, fishery, forestry, etc. Mixed farming is one of those systems of farming which is more like an integrated farming system which includes cropping, fishery, livestock, beekeeping and as many farm enterprises as possible. The major objective of mixed farming is subsistence, that is to provide enough produce for farmer and his family along with higher profitability without disturbing ecological balance. So the conclusion is mixed farming is one among those various systems of farming. The last but not the least is sole cropping or solid planting. It is just opposite to intercropping. In intercropping, usually more than one crop is grown in a given land. But if only one crop is grown, it is called as sole cropping or solid planting. Again, don't get confused between sole cropping and monocropping. Sole cropping is the practice of raising single crop in the whole given land, whereas monocropping is repeating the same crop every year. Let's talk about cropping systems and cropping patterns in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button to get my further video updates. Thank you so much for watching.